Hey guys, I'm going to show you something since someone asked me today again about the entity tool and what it does and how I can show it to be done. So I figured I would save some time and did some work up front. Um, so I decided to write an article, How to Pour a Cement Pad for a Hot Tub. That was kind of cool. I had ZimWriter scrape it, came out with its background information. I had did the same thing with used its choices for headings, pulled in the background, your little secret button there. But I did something different. Rather than rely upon the choices it created for the keyword section here, I decided to do something different. And this is what people ask me about. So I took the search term and I put it in here into Google. And I took a few, notice it's a lot of videos here. So I took the URLs from these different websites up here, and I, let's see, where was I? I put them in, I think it was sheet 9. Yeah. So I put the addresses in here, and I run that tool that people are asking about, and that's the word lift. And I have it analyzed. And what it does is it analyzes these URLs and it finds the entities that it can extract from them. Maybe not, there aren't a lot, but maybe there are. And you'll notice the higher ranked sites obviously are using a lot versus the ones that rank a little bit lower. So I just took the words out, all the entities I found from all those. I put them into a text pad here and just kind of went through and removed things I didn't think was really important. Really, some words either it misunderstands, it's not relevant, not. So that's what I did. I take those and I put these down here into the manual keyword area. And this is what I do. And that's how I use this tool. It is a really great tool. I will make sure there's a link in there. And I'm going to write this article. Why not? And it's already right in the blog post because I did the scrape originally. And so now all it's doing is it's using its headings, the manual background information that ZimWriter chose to put there from doing its scrape and analysis. But in that, when it sends the prompts, that background information, the heading, and all that good stuff, instead of using the keywords and terms it chose out of the articles it scraped, I'm wanting one specifically that I choose. And we'll see how that turns out. I think there's a couple in there I could have removed, like Milwaukee, because I'm pretty sure it's talking about a Milwaukee tool. And it may not pick that up. It may think that's talking about a place. The weight, I don't know why that, but it is what it is. Foam. So that's what I did it manually in the other one, but I got rid of that. I got rid of A level. What else did I get rid of? I don't know if I did that, but I'd probably drop that. In essence. That looks all right. That's so it's doing takeaways right now. It's going to put it on the website. I should probably get logged in over there, huh? Let's see. You know, it's interesting. Pexels, quite often it's only going to have so many related images it can find based off your search query. Um, it's uploading to WordPress, so I should probably go in here, go to dashboard, and there it is. Let's go to posts. We will preview. Oops. How to pour. Now, let's edit and see what it says. What did they do for meta description on here? Meta description. I think that's it. Pour some out. There. Go. Kind of fun, some of these tools that exist nowadays. Oh, maybe that wasn't it. What did I choose? Oh, it wasn't. And then we'll save a draft. Oh, yeah. This is something new. I forgot about this. Haven't really experimented too much with this, so I'll mess with that later. Useful info. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's fine. Not found in the URL. What to do for the URL? Poor to pour a cement pad for a hot tub. Thought that was it. Drop that. That'll change that. What is it not doing? Pour a cement pad for your hot tub. Not doing anything else corrective on here. Oh, we didn't want that. Oh, we did want this. All copy. We'll go back down. Make sure all these things match up so nothing guesses inappropriate. See, it's not in the title. Or cement pad for your hot tub? It should be in the title, right? To pour a cement pad for your. Now let's see if it behaves. See, now it all makes sense. Ooh. So maybe it was neutral. No? Oh, it has a more feminine tone. I'll be interesting. That's pretty amazing. Just finding those lipsum lorem things, all those little pieces and places, make sure they're right. That's really about it. Still not found in the URL, huh? Oh, that's right. I changed it. Remember? And sorry I didn't really talk much, just kind of distracted today. I don't feel well, but I'm trying to. Someone asked me to make a quick video and show what I would do and how I would do that and all that wonderful stuff. And essentially, that is what I would do. So that's it. See how it reads. Do. Picture this. Let's dive into. Imagine that. Seems to read all right. Not bad for Turbo. I dig it. Matt is amazing. He is amazing. Save draft. Preview action. I should change that. Do some simple Grammarly action. What do you think? I don't know if I should publish this. I already got my my site screwed up by publishing hundreds and hundreds of pages and getting them ranked and all that good stuff without doing any research, without verifying the data. And of course, you let that sit, and over time, of course, you're gonna get yourself in trouble. But it's fun to show just how easy the process of getting things indexed and ranked, even if you don't verify the data. There's consequences of that, of course. You always want to verify your data. But yeah, fun. Let's go ahead and publish this and let people take a peek at it. And I'll put that in the bottom of the video. And thank you very much. And I will talk to you all soon. Oh, did it go away? There it is.